Hello dear students, this is part 9 of CSAT 2020 question paper video solutions. So here we are going to take next 5 questions. So now let's talk about the questions. Question is, what is the greatest length x such that 3 integer 1 by 2 meter and 8 integer 3 by 4 meter are integral multiples of x? Okay, what is the greatest length such that this and this are the integral multiples of x? It means what? It means they are asking about the SCF, the highest common factor, right? The greatest length, which is the integral multiple. So it means what? That length has to be the factors of these two numbers. And this is greatest, so obviously highest common factor they are asking about. Find which is SCF. So they are actually mixed fractions. 3 integer 1 by 2 and 8 integer 3 by 4, right? So just convert this into a proper fraction. What we are getting is 3 2 is 6, 6 plus 1 7, 7 by 2, and 8 4 is 32, 32 plus 3 is 35, so 35 by 4, right? So here actually we need to find the SCF of two fractions which are 7 by 2 and 35 by 4, right? So SCF of fractions means SCF of numerators divided by LCM of denominators, right? So here we need to find the SCF of 7 and 35 divided by LCM of 2 and 4, right? So 7 and 35, so the SCF of 7 and 35 is 7 and the LCM of 2 and 4 is 4, right? So this is what? This is 1 3 by 4, right? So the answer is D option, 1 integer 3 by 4 meters, right? Okay, fine. This is a very simple question. Here the SCF of the fractions we need to find, that's it, right? So this question belongs to LCM SCF topic, and obviously like the maximum solving time for this question is around 30 seconds, right? Not more than that. This is a simple question, right? Here we need to find the like SCF of two fractions, that's it. Okay, now let's talk about the another question. The recurring decimal representation 1.272727 is equivalent to. So friends, this question belongs to number system, and this is a very typical question. There is a set pattern to solve these type of questions, right? So here just assume that x is equal to 1.27272727 and so on, right? Here there are two places after the decimal which are getting repeated all the time, right? So obviously 1 followed by 2 zeros will be multiplied with this number, so it is 100x, right? On multiplying 100 both the sides, we are getting 100x is equal to 127.27272727 and so on, right? Okay, so this is equation number 1 and this is equation number 2, right? So subtracting equation number 1 from equation number 2, what we are getting is like 100x minus x, so this is equal to 99x is equal to 126, right? So x is equal to what? 126 divided by 99, right? So both the numbers are divisible by 9, so 14 9s are 126 and 11 9s are 99, right? So x is equal to 14 by 11, right? So this is the correct answer. X is equal to 14 by 11, right? So friends, there is a set pattern of solving these type of questions. There is no rocket science, right? If you know these, like if you know how to solve these type of questions, then only you can do that. Else you won't be able to solve it, right? Or you can do it by approximation, like checking all the options, right? Anyways, so what I will suggest for this type of question, you should know how to solve this type of questions. Actually, they are very simple question, and the ideal solving time is like 40 to 50 seconds, not more than this. That's it, right? Not more than that. Okay. All right. So now let's move to another question. Okay. What is the least 4-digit number when divided by 3, 4, 5 and 6 leaves a remainder 2 in each case? Again, this question belongs to LCM SCF topic and from number system. LCM SCF, right? Question is saying, what is the least 4-digit number which when divided by 3, 4, 5, 6 leaves a remainder 2 in each case? So LCM of 3, 4, 5, 6, right? This is what? This is 60, right? LCM of 3, 4, 5, 6 is what? 60, right? So now 60 into 16 is what? This is 960. Okay. 60 into 17 is what? This is 1020, right? So this is the least 4-digit number. The least 4-digit number, which is the multiple of 60, right? Right? This is the least 4-digit number, which is a multiple of 60, right? And if this is a multiple of 60, then obviously it will give you 0 remainder when it will be divided by 3, 4, 5, 6, right? So just add 2 to this number, right? What we are getting is 1022. So 1022 is the least 4-digit number, which is giving you 2 as remainder when it is divided by 3, 4, 5, 6, right? Okay, the answer is 1022. Okay, B answer is the right answer. So this is again like a set kind of question, a typical question from SCF and LCM, right? And the ideal solving time for this question is around 30 to 40 seconds again, right? You should know how to solve these type of questions. They are actually very simple questions, right everyone? Fine. Okay, now let's move to another one. Okay, this question says, in adult population of a city, 40% men and 35% women are married. Okay, what is the percentage of married adult population if no man marries more than one woman and no woman marries more than one man? Okay, and there are no widows and widowers. All right, see everyone, one man is getting married with one woman only, right? So man and women. So obviously 40% men is equal to 30% of women, right? Then only they can get married, right? Okay, so 40% of men is equal to 30% of women, right? So men versus men divided by women is equal to 30 by 40, right? So men is to women is 30 is to 40, right? So just assume that there are 30 men. Just assume, let there are 30 men and 40 women are there in this society, right? So like 40%, so 40% of this is equal to 12 and 30% of this is equal to 12 again, right? So 12 plus 12 total 24. So 24 persons are married, right? So there are total how many people? Total there are 30 plus 40, 70 people are there in the society. Out of that 24 are married, right? Out of that 24 are married, right? So the question is asking, the question of what is the percentage of married adult population? Okay, fine. So percentage is what? We need to find 24 is what percentage of 70. So 24 by 70 into 100, right? So this is 240 by 7. Okay. So this is what? 34 into 2 by 7. Okay, everyone, right? This is 34 into 2 by 7%, right? C option is the right answer. Okay, this is a good question based on the like reverse ratio approach, or you can say it is like percentage also, right? It's a good question, and the ideal solving time for this question is around 50 seconds to 1 minute. Okay, it's a good question, right? Okay, so now let's talk about the another one. Okay, question is asking what is the remainder when this number is divided by 100. Okay, this question belongs to number system and the topic is divisibility, right? What is the remainder when 51 into this is divided by 100? See everyone, when some number, let's say 142 is divided by 100, then what is the remainder? 42, right? Again, 127 is divided by 100, then what is the remainder? 27, right? Again, let's say 5926. This number is divided by 100, then what is the remainder? 26, right? So if a number is divided by 100, what I want to say is, when a number is being divided by 100, last two digits are the remainder, right? So in this question, actually we need to find the last two digit. We need to find the last two digits of this product, 51 into 27 into 35 into 62 into 75, right? So everyone, see, we need to find the last two digits of this product, right? Okay, so here this is what? This is 5, this is 2. So 5 and 2, 5 and 2 is what? 5 into 2 is what? 10. 10 means we'll be getting 0 as the unit digit, right? So 0 as the unit digit, right? Obviously for this product we will be getting 0 as the unit digit, right? Why 0 will be unit digit? Because this is 2 and 5, so and 2 and 5 are getting multiplied with each other, right? Obviously, so we'll be getting 0 as the unit digit. And just check about the options. We have 0 only in one option in the unit, right? Then obviously this will be the last two digit. I mean, this will be the answer. The last two digit will be 50 only, because only in one option we have 0 as unit digit, right? It means obviously it has to be the answer, right? Everybody, this is the smart approach. Okay, so this question belongs to number system, and like ideal solving time for solving this type of question is around 50 seconds, right? This is a good question, right? Okay, now let's talk about the other questions. All right, so friends, this part is over. We'll be taking another set of 5 questions in next part, right?